Oh my god. My freaking. Holy. Oh yeah, that cracked too. Somebody's been in here. Should we take this
This has
off?
been fixed.
Hey guys, how the heck are you? I hope you're doing great and I hope you're having an awesome day. We are back on track with the Supra, doing a whole bunch of stuff to it. This video we are just taking out components, cleaning them up, making them look good, and getting them ready to get put back in. We also had to clean up the engine bay, but as you guys will see, we took the AC evaporator out of the car, and my god guys, that thing was disgusting. The amount of stuff that was in there, you guys will see in a couple minutes. My dad's been working on cars for 20 plus years. He said he's never seen one so stuffed with stuff. So stuffed with stuff. There it is, guys. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Let's get right into it, and if you enjoy, please consider subscribing to the channel. Also guys, thank you so much for 400 subscribers. This is freaking a huge milestone, and it feels great. I know some of you out there are probably like, it's not very many, but to me it's amazing, because I never would have thought my channel would have come this far. And at the rate that it's growing right now, it's kind of crazy, guys. So thank you all so much. I really appreciate all your support. So yeah, with that said, let's get right into this video, and I really hope you guys enjoy. Alright guys, we have a blower fan for the heat in the AC things. I'm gonna go clean this up. That's a little bit better, guys. Alright guys, we're taking out some stuff. Taking out the AC evaporator.
That sucks. Look at all that dust.
That's caked with mouse nest.
That's why we have.
Oh my god.
You know what happened? The blower, it got in the blower and the blower blew it.
That's gonna need to.
Well, I'm thinking this thing got wet and got corroded, and that's why the AC doesn't work. Holy crap.
That is a lot of crap.
I believe air even went through it. Holy shit. That explains the airflow problem.
Yeah.
This is the AC box out of Ethan's car. That's where all the air blows through. It goes through here for the air conditioning, and then it blows into the rest of the car.
Ew!
I don't even know how they would get in there.
Is that from mice?
Yeah.
Ugh! I want to see.
Yeah, and it was all, the fan was full of it.
Is there like carcasses in there?
I don't know, I gotta take it apart.
Well, we haven't found any yet, so maybe. Oh
My freaking, holy shit.
that's a lot of crap. It's just sitting in here like a brick. Come on. There we go. Taking the trim clips off, guys. What was that?
I don't know, was that there before?
Never noticed it.
Oh, you know why? Because somebody... Oh yeah, that cracked too. Somebody's been in here.
Should we take this
This
flare
has
off?
been fixed. Body filler. Oh yeah, I noticed that crack before. Yeah, I noticed it from the back. It looks like...
Yeah, you can kind of see it on the inside.
Yeah, I don't know, because it doesn't look like it's like dented in.
Alright guys, we are going to take the other rear fender flare off. Guys, tell you what, getting this thing off has been a huge pain in the butt because one of the screws is in a weird spot. But I think I've almost got it. There we go, guys. That was a pain in the butt getting this thing off, but it's off now. Now we can examine the rust. There's a lot of it, and there's also a lot of crap in here. I don't know how well you guys can see that, but also let's just take a moment. I'll get this perfect line of dirt. Yeah, that's all rusty. So yeah, guys, dealing with a little bit more rust over here. I'm not surprised because it's the same way with the other one. And I'm probably going to end up taking the fronts off pretty soon. Going to take off the side marker lights to see how, or just to see what's going on under there, because we're going to keep those on, but I don't know if you guys know or not, but we are going to de-trim the car. So we already have most of it off. Still have to take the front parts off. We're going to keep the flares on. My end goal with all of this is planning on powder coating these wheels black, and we're going to de-trim the car. I honestly think it's going to give it a really nice, really clean look. And I think the black wheels are going to complement the red on the car instead of having the beat up trim on there. So, yeah. Alright guys, we have the light up here. Looks like a bunch of stuff is like broken. This part is crumbling off. Oh yeah, this whole thing's crumbled. Check that out, guys. Oh, it's all dried out and broke. That's not good. Yeah, we'll figure that out. But yeah, what we're probably going to do is take this front trim piece off, leave the light, and then leave the lens around the outside of it, and then put some stuff like this around the outside of the light. And then that's probably what we're going to do, something similar to that. All of this dirt is dirt that came out of the rear fender flare.
take off the two on that side and those two nuts there. I might have to get brake nuts.
Ugh, that's nasty.
That's what happens when they get old. Yeah, I found a new master too.
Brake master cylinder.
Yeah, because this is what I see. It's been leaking. It's starting to leak a little bit. It looks like it is. Yeah, it is. Yeah, and I found it cheap actually.
Cleaning up the brake booster, guys. Alright guys, it is time to wrap up this week's video. As you saw, the AC evaporator was disgusting. We have a bunch of new parts coming for the Supra in next week's video, and we are getting ready to do a bunch of stuff to the interior, do a bunch of stuff with rust on the car. Stick around for, I'm not sure if this will be in next week's video or not. It is definitely going to be in an upcoming video. We have to take the fender off the side of the car, and that is going to be interesting, guys, because when you have to take the fender off of these cars, you don't just have to take the fender off. There's a bunch of other stuff that you got to take off of these guys. So yeah, get ready for that. That's coming up in the next couple weeks, and there's a bunch of other cool stuff coming up in the next few videos on the car. So yeah, thank you guys for your support. To support the channel, please comment, like, and subscribe. I hope you guys have a great week. Bye guys, I'll see you guys next week.